So here in the community page, you've got your content dashboard. That's the linked view of the content database that we just went over. You get to see what's due today, what's due tomorrow, what's past due. Check out the week and the month schedule as well for posting content to your community. You've also got some examples and templates for about pages and welcome posts. You've got a bunch of admin stuff for keeping you organized when it comes to running your community, instructions on importing your hub and activating your community, creating your community guidelines, discussion categories, engagement levels, groups and channels, and a community disclaimer to avoid any compliance issues. You've also got a database in this page as well for resources, two databases actually, the resource database and the global variables database. So resources is for all the tools and the software and anything else that you are going to recommend to your community members. And global variables helps you keep the links consistent across your hub. So you can use the resources dashboard to list out all the tools and resources that you plan to recommend. And then you can note whether or not it has an affiliate program, whether it's not an affiliate program, or if it's a native product. Like I have one for the 6-figure checklist. That's just a link to the PDF. We can open this up. So when we open it up, we've got 3 different templates to choose from: non-affiliated resource, the new native resource, and the new affiliate resource. We've got those types up here in the first field: the status, whether this resource is live in your community, whether you are still putting together that resource, or whether it was live and you no longer want it on your community, which would be archived. We've got different stages for creating the resource, very similar to our course and content generators. We've got different tiers. This basically is just here to help you organize your resources tab in your community. The T1 should be at the top and the T4 should be at the bottom. Categories should match the tags that are in your resources tab in your community. Whether or not it's got an affiliate program, that will make it easy to go through all your resources and apply for those programs. Who is the owner? If this is a native resource, then it's going to be your business. If it's an affiliate resource, then it would be that affiliate business. And then your URL. If this is an affiliate link, you would use your affiliate link here. If it's not affiliated, I would just use the homepage of whatever resource you're recommending. And if it's a native one, then use whatever link is appropriate. If it is a affiliate resource, I know this one is not, but you will have places to paste all your affiliate links. If this particular program has more than one, it's nice to be able to keep them all in one place. But this is not an affiliate resource. This is a non-affiliated resource. And so we don't have anything pre-written here. Then you can use the global variables tab to create a global variable for that resource. So whether it's a native or an affiliate or a non-affiliate, you can create a global variable in your project settings in eStage and then link to that global variable throughout your hub. And if you need to update the link for that resource, then you only need to do it in the project settings. You don't need to go to all the 12 different places across your website where you've linked to this resource and update the link. You only need to do it the once, and everywhere else just updates automatically, which is wonderful. And having the global variables database also gives you a little more context in relation to your global variables than if you were to just do it in eStage. So as you can see here, you've got the type of global variable that it is, or the type of resource. You've got the key, which has got to be all lowercase and no spaces. And you've got the value, which would be the link that you are using with this global variable. And then you can link to a resource. You can link to a product as well. Most of the time, you're going to be linking to the resource. So this links back to the resource database. And so you can see the global variable here that's connected to this resource. So updates automatically. And then if you ever change the link or the key or anything like that in this global variable, you can make a note of that in the change log here. These are just examples. So delete these rows if you make changes, but you get the idea. And then finally, the resource updates section. This just kind of gives you a production flow for these resources. First, you're just going to make a list of all of them and then write a little copy for each of them. A 200 character description is really all you need. eStage does give you the option to open the resources in an advanced view. So if you wanted to write some more long form copy for this particular resource, create an image or even a sales video for this resource, you could do that. And you would do that in this stage here. And you also want to create a thumbnail for the resource. Usually this is just as easy as screen screenshotting the logo. It doesn't need to be any more complicated than that. Creating the resource in your community, actually click that plus button and make the panel, upload the thumbnail, add the copy and a link to the global variable. And then if there's an affiliate program for this resource, apply for the affiliate program. And once you have your affiliate link, then update your link in your global variable. And again, when you do that, you only need to update it in the global variables in project settings. So you don't need to go to all the different places across your hub. And I use the tiers here to just organize the final page. Tier 1 at the top and Tier 4 at the bottom. So that is the resources dashboard. And the affiliate programs tab is where you can keep record of the details for your various affiliate programs you create for your members if you choose to do that. And you can draft and store the affiliate program agreement here as well. That's it for the community page.